I'm Andrew Phillips. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the drain pump on a Maytag top-load washing machine. Now, the same process and part number would be the same on a lot of other models made by Kenmore, Whirlpool, Maytag, things like that. I'll have some of those in the description, and I'll also have a link for the part if you need to pick it up as well. This particular one is an upgrade, so whether you're replacing it because it went bad or whether you just want to upgrade it, same process. Now, to complete this is what you're going to need. You're going to need some adjustable pliers. We're going to need a flathead screwdriver, obviously your replacement drain pump. I'll have a link in the description where you can purchase it if you need that, as well as these other tools. Then you will need a ratchet with an 8mm socket, and this is everything that you'll need to do this. Now, with the washing machine tilted forward, right here, and here's the corner. This is your rear right corner. Your drain pump is right next to it. Very easy to do. So what we have 3 8mm screws holding it in. One here, you have one right here, and then if we come along, then you've got one right there. So that's all that you have. There we go, clear that up for you. But that's all that you have holding it on. So we'll undo those, and then we'll use our adjustable pliers to remove this hose clamp right here, disconnect that. And then this panel right here, we'll take a flathead screwdriver. We're going to need to pop it off here, and then this cover will flip forward, and then we have the harness plug right there. We'll unplug it, pull it off, put the new one on. Quick and easy. Bring our flathead in. Just pop that up. We can move that forward. And then one on this side. Pop that up. And then this can. There we go. Just slides forward. Here's our harness. And you can see right there, you push that little tab in. And we'll grab this. Push that down. Sorry, I can't get the camera in there better. And we can pull that out. These can be tight in there. Slide that out of the way. And then right here on the side, we have this clip right here. Remove that so we can pull the wires out. Set that off here. And then now we can undo those 3 8mm. Or actually, you know what? Let's do this first. We'll take the hose clamp off first. Take our pliers. Press that down. And I need both hands for this. I'll be right back. Now with this out of the way, pull this off. And sometimes there might be water in there. Okay, in this case there's not. But if you have a pump that's completely bad, sometimes water can be backed up in there, so just be ready for that. So now let's remove these 3. Right there, 8mm, and pop this off. Now with everything disconnected, we can just pull that out. And that might be part of our problem right there. We have stuff jammed up in there. Okay, so now we're bringing the new one in. And you have this rubber gasket. So that seals right here. You want to push it firmly on. There we go. Line it up. There we go. And let me get a close-up up top. You can see how snug that gets. And then we're going to screw that tight. And then we'll connect the hose there and then the harness. We have it in place, so now tighten these down. And I'm going to do all 3, and then we'll be back to then connect the water hose. Bring this on. We're going to slide it on. And you want to push it all the way down, like that. Take it all the way down. There we go. Now we'll get our adjustable pliers. And we're going to bring this, see if I can do it with one hand while I'm trying to film this for you. All right, so I have that. You bring it all the way down here on the neck there, tighten it. Next, we're going to bring our harness in. And remember, we had the little clip on top, so we're going to put it in like that. Push it all the way in until it clips. There we go. Then now we can bring this. Lock that on. And then we'll tuck these wires back in here. And there you go. The whole new water pump is in. All right, so everything's been replaced. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to plug it back in. Don't forget you need to reset it, recalibrate it. If you want to check out my video where I showed how to do that, I'll have it down in the description where I also show how to read the error codes. But now that that's on, that wraps up this video on how to replace the water pump on a top-load Maytag washing machine. As mentioned already, it's the same on a lot of other models by Kenmore, Whirlpool, Maytag, things like that. I'll have them down in the description. That wraps up this video. So I hope that this was informative for you and helped you out if you're having any issues with your washing machine not draining properly. I'll have a link, as mentioned already, for the part down in the description. And I'll also have links in the description to other repair videos I've done on other Maytag units and other appliances as well. Please send me any questions and comments. I would love to hear from you. And as always, I appreciate all the support. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.